Kadhi nyime kuom jotelo gwenge mag Nyanza ywagore yo kaluwore kod rochruok mar arita kwe mosejimbore kaachiel kod sieko mag kweth jore ma sando jodag. Jotelo dwaro mondo migawo mar arita kwe omed kwan apisas mag obila matimo patrol mar joweche mag arita kwe. Jotelo manie lose kanisa ma Anglican ma St. Peter's Madungu olero ni nok mar arita kwe rocho chenro mathoth e kor gwenge.
You can not have young boys between 18 to 23 years killing people, mugging people, raiding people. They even kill police officers. A police officer who was mugged and killed at 6 o'clock. By the time the police officer arrived at the scene, it was after 7 hours when he was long gone and dead. And the young boy who was trying to assist him also was killed. So the police need to be facilitated. We are not blaming the police. We are blaming the national government that you need to facilitate the police stations, empower them, give them vehicles. It has reached a situation where you cannot even leave your house. You have to lock yourself. And we said, if the police can't do it, we'll have our vigilante to do it, because we have young boys and serious people who can do this. And second, when the criminals are apprehended, they go to court and given a cash bail of 10,000. The police feels frustrated. This is a guy who was murdering somebody. After 1 week, you see him back in the street. No,
who is it that is sleeping on the job? Who is it? Those are questions that require immediate answers. Haiti